Now, who doesn't love cupcakes? So I'm going to give you the secret recipe to make friends, to say thank you, to say sorry to anybody. Coffee cupcakes with mocha buttercream frosting coming right up. Dry ingredients getting sifted in first. So refined flour, caster sugar, instant coffee powder, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, nutmeg powder, and a pinch of salt. So we have all of our dry ingredients here. We need to sift it. And this is the reason that you've got to use a sift. We are going to now work on our wet ingredients. One egg, oil, coffee liquor. So coffee liquor सुनते ही डरने की जरूरत नहीं है. This is instant coffee powder mixed in hot water. Some vanilla essence. Now since I'm using an electric whisk, that's why I've put all the wet ingredients together and I can just whisk it away. But if you're going the old school method, which is using a balloon whisk, then ensure that you put one wet ingredient at a time, mix it well and then put the next. Otherwise it will be too much of an effort trying to bring all of this together. Okay? Okay, so this is done. We have our dry ingredients. Time to combine the two together and to bake this. So we'll do it very lightly using the cut and fold method. Okay, this is cut and this is fold. Keep moving the bowl. That way you can cut and fold even easily. Do not worry about the lumps that you can see over here right now. The more of this mixture is going to get into this one, it's going to start absorbing all of the liquid. So all of these lumps that you're seeing over here, they will dissolve. Okay, this is done. Time to put them in our muffin liners. Now we have to bake this in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes or till that toothpick comes out clean. Oh my god, look at them. So good. We have to wait for these cupcakes to cool down. Until then, we are going to be making the mocha buttercream frosting. First and foremost, some powdered sugar. Pisi hui chini. To this, I am adding our regular salted butter because that pinch of salt through all of this sweetness really helps. And I'll tell you the reason why I'm showing you a buttercream frosting. क्योंकि ये आप किसी भी given point पे अपने घर पे बना सकते हो because this is just butter and sugar जो घर पे easily होता है. Just इसको थोड़ा सा sugar के अंदर आप cut कर लो ताकि sugar एकदम से उड़े ना जब आप इसको whisk करने लगो. So what we are going to do right now is called creaming. So let's cream. Clean the edges, and as you'll see that the butter is turning white. You want this, that means it is creaming properly. And you have to cream it till it becomes light and fluffy. At this point, I'm going to add in some cream. Nice. Now to this, I'm going to add cocoa and instant coffee, hence mocha. And some instant coffee. Whisk it and we are ready to pipe. This is done. I'm sure the cupcakes have cooled down by now. Let's pipe them and let's eat them. Okay, I think this much should be enough. And just squeeze it and tighten it according to your grip. There you go. Can you see? Now I'm going to go really simple swirls, that's it.
No matter how many kinds of cakes I make, my niece always end up asking for a cupcake. So today it's her birthday party and I'm going to gift her some cupcakes. Let's get started. I've taken all-purpose flour or maida. I'll add some baking powder. Give it a quick mix. I have already sifted, यानी कि मैंने पहले ही मैदे को छान लिया है ताकि इसमें कोई भी lumps ना हो. And now in the bowl, I'm going to take soft butter. You have to ensure that the butter is at room temperature. To the butter, I'm going to add some breakfast sugar. We also call this caster sugar. If you don't have this, you could use powdered sugar. And some vanilla extract. Now we need to add 2 eggs to it. I have already taken out eggs in a bowl. I generally do this to ensure ताकि कोई shell batter में न चला जाए. I'm going to add 1 egg at a time. To ensure that the batter does not split. कई बार बटर में सारे अंडे अगर एक साथ डाले जाएं, तो बटर फट सकता है. All right. After the first egg has mixed, I'll add the second one. So this is thoroughly mixed. I do not need to overbeat this. To this, I'm going to add my dry ingredients a little at a time. I'm going to slowly whisk it in. So I've added some maida to it. Post this, some milk. Post this, I'm going to add milk. A little milk at a time. Whisk it. I'm going to alternate between the maida and the milk to ensure that we form a uniform batter. Some more maida. There you go. Quickly incorporate it. We are trying to incorporate air here. So that will give us really fluffy cupcakes. Some more milk. Almost there. We just need to ensure that it's a good mix. Everything is well combined and the batter is ready. I have already lined my muffin tray with muffin liners. Now I'm going to pour the batter in, 1 spoon at a time. Do not fill the muffin liner completely, a little more than the half. Rest of the space we are leaving out for it to kind of, bake and fluff up. I've tapped it twice to ensure that if there are any air bubbles in the batter, they escape. Now we are ready to go in the oven. When we insert a knife or a toothpick at the center, you see, it will come out clean. That's when we come to know that it has baked nicely from inside. You can frost your vanilla muffin with anything that you like. I'm going to use here buttercream. On top of this, some chocolate. So our vanilla cupcakes are ready. I'm going to take these to my niece's birthday. I'm sure she will love these.